are these? Oh dear, I hope I do find them later. Otherwise I'm going to be in trouble. No, there they are. Right, okay. So let's unbox the Gan 11M. What am I doing here? Okay, so, right. Okay, so the Gan 11M is meant to be basically the same thing as the Gan 11M Pro, but without any customization features and without corner core magnets. So it just has the standard edge corner magnets. Let's have a look. I mean, it feels different, but I think it does actually feel slightly more flexible. I mean, that's what it should feel like, really. Let's do some solves. Okay, new session. Yeah, what was my average of 100? 10.19. Yeah. Okay, let's do some. Yeah, so I can definitely see the problem with this. It's a nice cube, but it's not going to be quite as good as the standard Gan 11M Pro. But if you don't care about the core corner magnets and just want a simple Gan cube, then I guess this is a good option. Yeah. Right, let's do one more solve to make it an average of 5 and just see how bad my average of 5 is with this. Yeah, 10.11, rubbish. Well, average of 5 is 10.55. I mean, to be honest, that's not that bad, is it? It's not too bad. Right, okay, let's get on to the rest. So this, yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to try the Gan 11 Air as well, the non-magnetic version. I'll just go through a few of these boxes first, but ultimately, yeah, I am going to unbox the Gan 11 Air and see what a non-magnetic Gan 11M is like. Non-magnetic Gan 11M, yeah. The M stands for magnetic, so you can't have a non-magnetic Gan 11M. I mean, the thing is, Gan have spent the past year going through all these options. It's like, yeah, sure, you're coming out with nice, cheaper options, but What about all the people who already bought the Gan 11M Pro all those years ago, thinking it was the best cube, and now they have, and never used any of the customization features? That doesn't bother me. My job is to try all the cubes that come out. Okay, so it is tighter. I mean, it feels fast, it feels flexible. I mean, I think they've tightened the tensions a bit, which is understandable. Alright, I guess I'll do some solves on this too. Alright, okay. So my average of 5 with the Gan 11M was 10.55. Let's see what this is. Yeah, so lock up there. That's good. Yeah, sorry about the noise. Some roofing's being done. Okay, one more solve. Okay, interesting. So, what's the difference between a magnetic and a non-magnetic cube? Well, I'm 0.31 seconds faster with the non-magnetic one, apparently. I presume that's not going to be normal. But, yeah, interesting. Right, let's get on to the rest. Gan 11M Duo, already, people have already seen that, surely.